Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Ron again from wapenas.com, and I just got this package today. Partially opened it already. I was excited. Our friends from CarCan sent over their product to us. So as you can see in there, it says carcan.com. Okay, so it's basically a car garbage can for your car, which I actually need. It's also car product of the year for 2020. So let's open it up so that you can see exactly how it looks. You can visit their website at carcan.com, C-O-M. Okay, and there's a package insert there. So let's just put. If you open it, see there's a small pocket on the side, a small pocket on the side. There's this strap thingy on top, which I believe you can, strap it to the headrest in your car so that it's hanging like that, and then you can open it. Oop, nice. It's nice amount of Velcro. So there seems to be metal here that acts as a frame for the lip of the bag, and then you can open it. And if you check inside, there's what's this? I don't know what it's called. So there's a lining inside that I assume is waterproof, because according to the website it says it's waterproof. So there's two pockets also in the front, and no more. So there's 4 pockets, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you can probably put a beer can. But I don't suggest you put beer cans, because if you get stopped by the police, they might say, "Oh, why you're drinking on the road?" Right? Okay, so there you can even put a bottle of vitamins or whatever you want, stuff in the pockets you want to hold. So you can probably even have your kids put their stuff there, since it's going to be probably strapped behind the front seat like that. And then when you want to close it, you just snap it shut and the Velcro connects, right? So we're going to test it out later and see if it's actually waterproof. We're going to put it in the sink and throw some water inside. So this is a good way to keep your car clean. No more trash can, no more plastic bags that you need to keep on throwing. You just keep all of this in everything in here, and then when you get home, remove it from your car, then empty the trash into a bigger trash bin. If it's dirty inside, you can wash it. Okay, you can order it from their website carcan.com, and it delivers to lots of countries, US, Australia, Canada, Philippines, Malaysia, New Zealand, Poland, Singapore, Vietnam, Taiwan. It's also in their website, but as long as it delivers in the Philippines, Canada, and the USA, I'm good. And we're gonna see this in action, and we're gonna actually put it in the car later. So we'll be back, guys. Okay, we're gonna put on the CarCan right now. We're gonna show you how easy it is to attach. Okay, as you can see there, and then you can use the pockets. There's 4 pockets in the sides and 1 on each side and 2 in the front. You can use to put water balls, and we're gonna test it now to see if it's actually waterproof. We're gonna put water. You can use it for putting ice, cold drinks or stuff, or as a trash can. And as you can see, we're pouring in the water, and we're gonna see if it's gonna leak. Okay, as you can see, nothing's dripping. Everything is good and dandy in the back. The entire floor is as dry as possible, and that's it. You can buy your CarCan at carcan.com and use this as a whatever you want, as a bag, tote bag, or carry bag, as a trash can. And as you see, if you use the trash can, even if you throw away your stuff inside, your car is still gonna be dry. Thanks, guys. Bye.